Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who loves a bold lip that lasts all day without constant touch-ups, you might want to pay close attention to what I have for you today. We're taking a close look at the Estée Lauder Pure Color Explicit Long-Lasting Silk Matte Lipstick in the shade 110 Wrong Place, Right Time. It's a rosy brown with warm undertones, designed for all skin types and promises a matte finish that wears for up to 12 hours. Right off the bat, this lipstick comes in a sleek, elegant bullet that Estée Lauder is known for. The formula blends silkiness with a true matte effect, which is intriguing because matte lipsticks can often feel dry or stiff, but this one claims to be long-lasting without sacrificing comfort. Its main appeal is durability. You can eat, drink, and go about your day without worrying about constant reapplication. When I tested it, the application was smooth and precise. The creamy texture glides over the lips without tugging, which is a big plus for a matte formula. The pigmentation is impressive. A single swipe delivers an opaque color that doesn't look patchy. I tried it through a typical day, including coffee, lunch, and a bit of snacking, and I noticed minimal fading, especially in the center of the lips, which is usually where wear is most noticeable. The matte finish is elegant but not flat. It maintains a soft, sophisticated look rather than an overly dry texture. One thing to keep in mind is that, as with many long-wear mattes, it can feel slightly drier over time. So I recommend prepping your lips with a hydrating balm beforehand. But honestly, the comfort level is above average for a 12-hour matte formula, which isn't something you see every day. Pros? Stunning pigmentation, smooth application, truly long-lasting wear, and a flattering rosy brown shade that suits a wide range of skin tones. The packaging feels luxurious and premium, giving that high-end experience we all love. Cons? It can accentuate dry patches if lips aren't prepped, and removal at the end of the day takes a bit of effort, so make sure you have a good makeup remover on hand. In terms of value for money, this lipstick sits in the higher-end price range, but I think the combination of durability, comfort, and the elegant finish justifies the cost. If you're looking for a statement matte that will carry you through a full day without constant reapplication, it's worth the investment. Compared to other long-wear matte lipsticks, Estée Lauder's formula feels silkier and less chalky, with a more sophisticated color payoff. The build quality is excellent, with a sturdy, weighty casing that makes it feel like a special addition to your makeup collection. Estée Lauder has a strong reputation for customer service, so if you ever encounter an issue with the product, their support is responsive and reliable. If your budget is a little tighter, some drugstore matte lipsticks offer decent long-wear performance, but they rarely achieve the same silky texture and even pigmentation that this Estée Lauder formula provides. For those who want a luxury experience without compromise, this lipstick hits the mark. So, is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, the Estée Lauder Pure Color Explicit Lipstick in 110 Wrong Place, Right Time is a strong performer. It blends a sophisticated matte finish with comfort and long-lasting wear, making it ideal for anyone seeking a reliable, polished lip look. If you love a lipstick that stays put, offers gorgeous pigmentation, and has a luxurious feel, this one is definitely for you. Thank you so much for visiting Beautyistic. The link to purchase this lipstick is in the comments and description box. If you've tried it already, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.